Welcome back to Grasping Gaeilge. Today we're going to look at the difference between on and na. Both of the words on and na mean the, except on is singular and na is plural. We only ever use on if it's singular. Mar hampla on Colleen, the girl. If we want to pluralize it and say the girls, you also need to pluralize Colleen. So it goes to na Colleenie. Let's look at a few more examples. On skull, the school. If you want to say the schools, na scoilena. If you want to say the table, on board, the tables, na board. One last one. We wanted to say the image, on Eva. The images, na hiavana. Na hiavana. Have a little think, why is that H there? When we're pluralizing and we're saying na, the noun begins with a gutta, which is a vowel, so A-O-U-I-E, we add in a H, na hiavana. Also, if you don't know how to pluralize a word, I have the easiest way for you. You're going to head to my favorite website, folklore.ie. Head on over to folklore.ie, type in the word. For today, we'll use the word image. We can see straight away that Eva popped up. You're going to click that little fem, that means it's feminine. And down the bottom here, it pluralizes the word for you. It's a simple little thing to fix in your daily use of Irish. Slán.